everyone. I'm Khatija from class 9B here to present the topic of rain to root. My project number is 317. Rainwater harvesting from irrigation system has many benefits. It is free chemical and mineral making it ideal for organic farming. It can be used like gardening, like plant irrigation, fountain, etc. Here I use drip irrigation. Drip irrigation involves placing tubing with emitters on the ground along the side of the plant. The emitters slowly drip water into the soil at the root zone because the moisture levels are kept in optimal range. Plant productivity and improving plant. Here I use water fountain. Flow of water from high gravitational potential energy to low gravitational potential energy form a fountain. Thank you.